self is birthless, perpetual, unchanging, and timeless, and he is not destroyed when the body is destroyed. The self, the God within, is neither at any time born, nor does he at any time die, for what he undergoes in the name of death is a mere change of apparel. He cannot also be anything other than self, because he is birthless, permanent, eternal, and primeval. Disintegration of the body does not annihilate him. The self alone is real, timeless, unchanging, and eternal. Who are you? A follower of the Sanatan Dharma? What is forever? The self. So, you are a follower, a disciple of the self. The self and Brahm, God, are synonymous. And who are you? A worshipper of the Sanatan Dharma. What is immutable? The self, of course. That is to say, that you and I all are adorers of the self. But if we are not familiar with the spiritual path, the way of following the dictates of the self until he is one with the Supreme Spirit, we have nothing that is worthy of being described as changeless and everlasting. We are on trial for the final absolution, and in close proximity to God if we pine for him, but we cannot be deemed as having been admitted as long as we are credulous enough to accept blindly one wrong convention or the other, masquerading as Sanatan Dharma. Be it in India or any other country, the soul in all is identical. So if anywhere on the earth there is a man who is aware of the true nature of self and his ultimate goal, and who is eager to take to the way which will eventually lead his self to the Supreme Spirit, be he a professed Christian, Muslim, Jew, or anything else, he undoubtedly also belongs to the fold of Sanatan Dharma, the changeless and eternal.